It's a little different because, I can tell you that every company that you meet in incubators, accelerators, or wherever, university hub, they barely have a prototype. Sometimes it takes for them 3 years or 4 years because, everybody is so focused to make a business plan that will look fantastic instead of working on the product. So when you have a prototype, when I say prototype, it means something that you can do in the lab like in 2 months. But
Mhm.
people, spend years to make one prototype just to have an idea product, can work. When I say my prototype, it's not a prototype. When I say, we go from prototype to moldings and to everything else, it means we build the company, but we don't create the factory. So the product that we do is the same product that every other company will do if they were going in that business to make their product the priority of the company. The only difference is once we go to the finish line, so we finish the product, we finish the homologation, the certification, and everything. The only difference is we don't make the production to sell the product in the market, we license it to retailers. It's 99.9% of all the companies that you will find in incubator, escalator, have two problems. First problem is maybe after a few years and few, thousands of dollars of euros invested, they have barely a prototype. The second, in case there is a company that has a product that, has been even performing in the market, they're very small. Like, they do 1 million euro, 500,000, 2 million euros, EBITDA, there's no EBITDA. So it's just a completely different model because these people that you just mentioned, they want to build a company. They want to become, the president of the company. They want to have the parking in front of the office to say, I'm the president. You will see many products in the market that they will never have my name. They will never have my brand because our business model is to be in the backstage. If you go to Tesco, if you go to Walmart, or if you go to any big companies, Carrefour and Target, and you may find products that come from me or come from my organizations, which of course don't have my name because when you license something, they are, of course, in the legal rights to use their name and to use their brand and to use wherever they want to use, as long as they pay the royalties. That's another very, unique approach because I'm sure if you meet, let's say, you meet a guy that has invented, a new mud for coffee and
Mhm.
he wants to demand, Fabio and Michele. He doesn't want, a company to change their name because this is my brand. I build brand. I want my brand to become, like Apple or like Google. Usually these projects, never go anywhere because the mentality behind the project, it's suffocated by the ego of the inventors, of the founders that, they want to become important
Mhm.
and they don't really care about, the life of the company. They only care about if they can make it and show everybody that they were able to build a company and to become successful.